Here we are at the Puppy Fly Fishing Olympics in Colony Lake, North Carolina. As you can see, both dogs are kind of tired and disinterested. We're not sure why.
Oh, no.
Let's see if we got... It was just a ploy, as usual, from Zaya. The sneaky little... you-know-what.
Got it.
She's having to work for it. Let's see if we can get a close-up on the action here. If we can. Aha! Okay. The trainer, Woody, has managed to get the rag away from the dog. Now, what will happen next, really nobody knows. We have this over here. So, let's zoom in and so another sneak attack. Okay. Lazy dogs indeed. A sneaky dog there. Is this a dog? That's a sneaky little dog. This dog here, just getting his breath. He's about to cause a lot more trouble. He's got a tennis ball though, see? Don't worry, I'm not going to take your tennis ball. Hi, Diesel.
You have another tennis ball?
Hi, Diesel. Nah. Well, they keep eating them. I guess we wore them out already, eh?
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, I caught one.
Uh-oh. We caught a live puppy from the pool of puppies. Uh-oh, the puppy tried to get away, but caught himself back again. Herself, I should say. Oops.
Trying to get away.
She likes this, whatever it is.
In this one.
Whatever it is, she likes this. Look at her tail.
Man, these are definitely different in the breed.
I noticed that. Yeah, just tonight. No, it's very sad. Oops, I guess I shouldn't do that. I should do this. There we go. Okay.